Transfer pricing is one of the most complex areas of tax regulation, and there are substantial financial risks if it is not handled correctly. At BDO, our approach is deliberately different. We are genuinely hands-on. Our senior team is involved from start to finish, allowing us to proactively meet your needs at the scale you require. Whether you're a large multinational corporation or in need of support that is more subtle and tailored to your specific requirements. We have a thorough understanding of OECD guidelines, BEPS initiatives, and local laws, providing you with a high-quality transfer pricing advice based on the very latest legislative and administrative practices. Whether the task is simple or complex, we are always pragmatic first, giving clear, practical advice on the best opportunities and solutions. Ultimately, you can trust us to elevate your business presence or practice, optimize your transfer pricing process, deliver the quality and clarity you need to make informed decisions. In our tax service line, our challenger attitude raises the bar, which is why we are confident that we can optimize your transfer pricing strategy deliberately and differently. Contact one of our specialists today at www.bdo.co.za.